Hello everyone, our today's topic is Dole Kalash. So let's start with today's topic. First we will make dole shape. For that we will make one semicircle. Inside that we will make one more semicircle and fill the whole design. After that we will start by making border line. We have to give dark border to the whole figure design. After that we will start by making one or two lines. Now again we will make scallop line. For the figure design we always have to make small scallops. Now we will start by making small circles and then we will fill the alternate circles. We will make scallop design. After the scallop design we will start by making zigzag checks. Make sure the distance between the two zigzag checks is same. Now again we will make the second dole. For that we will make dark border. After that we will start by making the filling portion. On top of the two doles we have to make shahnaai. Similarly for the shahnaai we will make semicircle. For the next dole filling we will start by making two scallop lines. After that we will make small fillings and then make one dark line. Again we will start by making one scallop line and we will do zigzag. We will fill the small triangles. Again for the shahnaai portion we will do the same thing. We will make small dots and connect the end portion. We have to make small strings. We will give dark border to the whole design. Now again we will start with the filling. Make sure in shahnaai we make Indian filling. We have to use different types of borders and checks and belts. Here I am using checks. You can also draw small circles and then fill it as I am doing right now. Our first figure is complete. Now for the second figure, we will start by making one kalash shape. Make sure for the kalash both the sides should be same. Now we will make Gathbandhan shape. We are making one ribbon shape. Again we will make two triangle shapes. And then we will connect the kalash portion and give humps. We will give leaf portion. For that we will make center lines and then fill the remaining portion. Similarly we will make two leaves on both the sides. The last one should be slanting way. We have to fill the whole design. After that, on top of that, we will start by making one Shriphal shape. We have to give shading first and then we will make the shape. Now we will give dark border to the color shape and we will start the filling portion. We will first make two lines to give dark light effect and then we will give again two lines of scallops. After two lines of scallops, we will start by making swastik border. Now for the swastik design, we will start by making 3 to 4 lines. After that, we will fill all the 2 lines and then we will give dark border on top and bottom of the design. Again, we will start by making scallop lines. Make sure you give less pressing while you are making scallops. We will give dark border to the whole design. Again, in the Gathbandhan portion, we will start by making 2 lines. After these 2 lines are made, we will start by giving small flowers. Alternate flowers we have to give. Similarly, we will do this for the both hand side. You can also make different types of flowers. Now after the flower design is complete, we will start by filling portion. For the filling portion, we first have to make border design and then we have to fill the remaining portion left. Make sure you give very high pressing when you are filling the designs. Similarly, we will do this for the right hand side as well. We will give dark border and then fill the remaining portion. Now for the third figure, we will first start by making two dhol shapes as we did in the first figure. Now for this dhol shape, we will start by making shehnai. We have to make shehnai in center. We will connect the shehnai shape and then we will start by giving the filling portion to the dhol shape. We will give dark border and then we will start with the light lines. Again, we have to give less pressing while we are doing scallops. We will make small lines and then fill the design. Make sure you give small lines in circular shape. Here you can see I am moving my lines toward right hand side. At the center you have to start moving your lines towards the right hand side. Till the center you have to make it till the left hand side. Now we will start by giving dark lines. After that we will make shehnai shape. We will start by filling the shehnai shape. Now again we will make 2 to 3 lines and we will give one dark line. We will make scallop lines and then fill the whole design. In shehnai we can use different types of borders, checks, many things. You can also add different types of Indian borders. Here I am doing simple filling. Now for the next dhol we will start by making dark border. For the dhol portion we can always use dark types of borders. Now we will start by making big scallop lines and we will give center dots. Again we will make one light line and we will give one line of scallop. In the remaining portion we will make alternate strokes and then we will give dark border to the whole figure. Done. Now for the fourth figure we will start by first making the tabla shape. For that we have to make small rhombus shape and then we have to give semicircles. Again besides that we will make one dhol shape and we will connect it with the shehnai. In this design we are using one dhol, one tabla and one shehnai. So this is something unique from the first 3 designs which we made. Now we will start by making 3 lines. We will give scallop lines on both the sides of the tabla. After that we will start by making zigzag lines. After the zigzag lines are made we will give inner light lines and we will fill the whole remaining portion left. Here you can also give zigzag checks or you can also give alternate fillings. Similarly we will do this on the left hand side as well. We have to fill the whole design. Now after this we will start by making the shehnai portion. We will give small strokes and we will start with the alternate circle fillings. We will give dark border and fill the remaining portion. After that again we will start by filling the dark border. Here I am going to give Indian filling to the design. After every one light line we have to give one line of scallops. We will connect this whole design. And now for the tabla design we will start by making one dark border. We will give small light hump. After this again we will make one more line of scallop and then we will make dark border. We will do small strokes. and then our whole design is complete. Bye guys, thank you for watching.